In today's hyper-connected world, mission-critical infrastructure needs more than just power. It demands intelligent, scalable, and future-ready solutions. Behind every modern facility lies an unsung hero, a vast network of power and data cables, silently driving progress. But these cables need a reliable and precision-engineered cable containment and management system, one that transforms them into the true backbone of a facility, safe, organized, and dependable for years to come. Introducing Elins Sheet Metal Industry, ESMI, a symphony of precision engineering. Established in 2015 at Bengaluru, ESMI is backed by Micron Electricals, one of India's foremost MEPF companies. ESMI delivers integrated cable management systems and modular C-Strut supports for some of the nation's most iconic infrastructure projects, from smart factories and IT campuses to metros, airports, industrial buildings, and data centers. Together, we power India's infrastructure. With decades of combined project execution expertise, we are your turnkey partner for design and product development, manufacturing, installation and commissioning, customized integrated cable management solutions from Wireways, Raceways, and ladder trays to truckings, junction boxes, DB frames, and modular C-Strut supports, specials and accessories. We deliver it all, engineered for performance and reliability. Our design and product development experts collaborate closely with project teams, ensuring faster execution, optimized costs, and dependable performance that stand the test of time.
At ESMI, we believe in constant advancement. With the view to serve our customers better, we have installed the high-precision laser cutting machine.
ESMI's state-of-the-art manufacturing facility features CNC fiber laser machine, advanced multi-stage roll forming line, CNC shearing machines, CNC press brake line, turret punch press, perforation machine, asymmetrical roll bending machine, power press line, drilling and tapping machines, laser welding, TIG and MIG welding machines, among others. Every process is synchronized through robust quality management systems that ensure consistency, precision, and reliability at every stage. Certified by CPRI, ISO, and CE, ESMI meets global benchmarks in quality, safety, and sustainability. Every sheet is laser cut to micron level precision. Every bend and weld meets the highest tolerance, and every finish is crafted to endure time and use. Every product is line tested for dimensional accuracy and powder coating thickness, ensuring consistent performance, longer service life, and safer installations. Functionality meets aesthetics at our in-house powder coating plant, where cable trays, raceways, and accessories are finished in colors that harmonize with ceilings and modern architectural design. Every product reflects not just engineering precision, but the dedication of those who bring it to life.
At ESMI, our true strength is our people. From research and development to site execution, our team brings unmatched expertise at every stage of operation.
Behind every successful organization is a team that believes engineering excellence begins with people. Led by Ms. Savita Sitaram, Ms. Shweta Narasimhan, and Mr. Umesh Krishnappa, our leadership blends technical depth, constant innovation with a culture of empowerment.
Empowering women empowers the world. At ESMI, we have embraced this philosophy by providing opportunities to women with challenging backgrounds. Jyoti, who has been with us for over 5 years, says her life has transformed after working here. So let's hear Jyoti's story.
ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಜ್ಯೋತಿ. ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಸೇರ್ಕೊಂಡು 5 ವರ್ಷ ಆಯಿತು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಸೇರ್ಕೋಕೆ ಮುಂಚೆ ತುಂಬ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇತ್ತು. ನನ್ನ ಗಂಡ ಹಾರ್ಟ್ ಪೇಷಂಟು, ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನ ಓದಿಸೋಕ್ಕಾಗ್ತಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೇರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಮೇಲೆ ತುಂಬ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದಾಗಿದೆ, ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನ ಓದಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಈ ಕಂಪ್ನಿಯಿಂದ ತುಂಬ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದಾಗಿದೆ ನನಗೆ.
We are really proud of the culture we are building here and really happy to be part of the ESMI family.
Built for sustainability, every precision manufactured C-Strut Modular support Raceway, cable trays and accessories are designed for reuse, minimizing waste and reducing carbon footprint. That's why leading multinationals, Indian corporates and EPC consultants continue to choose ESMI as their trusted integrated cable management solution partner. From smart cities to industrial corridors, from power grids to data centers, ESMI strengthens the backbone of a modern and progressive India. Join hands with us in building smarter, safer, and more reliable infrastructure for tomorrow. Elins Sheet Metal Industries, powering India's infrastructure with precision and trust.